And we're going to move on to question number 2. So, our question here says, suppose a country has a GDP Y equals 10 trillion, consumption equals 7 trillion, government spending equals 2 trillion, investment equals 2 trillion, and taxes equals 1.5 trillion. Instructions: round your answers to one decimal place and include the negative sign if necessary. So, first question asks, what is the net exports or balance of trade? And let's see what our tutor says here. So you say GDP equals consumption plus investment plus government spending. They included tax here, and you add NX, which is net exports, and that's also X minus M. So we know what GDP is, Y equals 10 from the question. Consumption equals 7 plus investment equal 2. Government spending is equal to 2. And tax is equal to 1.5. What we don't know is what net exports is, and so we're just going to solve for it. So we know 7 plus 2 plus 2 is equal to 7 plus 2 is 9, plus 2 is 11, plus 1 is 1.5. Let's see what our 2, and so this is 7 plus 2 equals 9, plus 2 equals 11, plus 1 equals 12.5. So we have NX equals 10 minus 12.5 equals negative 2.5. So we're saying our net exports is a negative number, and it's negative 2.5 trillion. Part B says, what is public saving? And our tutor here says public saving is equal to equals investment minus private saving, which equals to 2 minus 1.5 equals 0.5 trillion. So we're saying our private saving in this scenario is taxes of 1.5 trillion. And part C is asking us for what private savings is. And our tutor describes private saving. So private saving equals GDP minus tax minus consumption, which is equals to 10 minus 1.5 minus 7, and this is equal to 1.5, and that's 1.5 trillion. So, excuse me, public saving is not is investment minus private saving. This question probably would have done us better if it asked what private saving was first before it asked what public saving was. But as you see, private saving here is 1.5, which is reflected in here. and that's how you find both public and private saving. So when calculating private saving and public saving, your best bet is to probably find private saving first, and that would also help you in finding your answer for public saving. And the last question says, what is the level of net capital outflow in trillions? That's part D. Your tutor says, here the trade balance is negative, which means imports are more than exports. So here there's a net capital inflow rather than outflow. And that's correct. So net capital outflow, or in this case inflow, would be a representative of what the trade balance is. And since it's negative, it's a net capital inflow. There'll be a net capital inflow of 2.5 trillion. So this is correct.